It's the Aerox 9 here from Steelseries. Let's get this puppy unboxed. Best lightweight mouse. I don't reckon this is going to be lightweight. What do you think? Kind of rivaling the Naga Razer along the G9, so the G600 as well. So let's test how lightweight this is. The Aerox 9. They've got the best lightweight mouse. Better be below 75 grams. But it's not even lightweight. What? Lightweight? Lightweight my ass. It's a bit of a beast to me. USB-C cable. Open the glory hole again. Pretty similar basically to the Aerox 5 as well. More buttons, same components.